Assalamu alaikum, Shabab. Brothers are here.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
Jazakallah. Thank you very much. So let's start, brother. Welcome all the brother for today's lecture, inshallah. So if you guys remember, mashallah, know a lot of brothers they are writing. We were here last week. This is the ratio control, and we have here 1 liter always, and this is 2 liter. Ratio control. So feed 1 always 1 liter and feed 2 always 2 liter. So what we think? We think somebody asked us, to save the money and make a system so that we can remove some controllers, remove something to save the money. We said, okay, no problem, we can try. So what we did, we removed this control valve, we removed this I2B converter, we removed the controller and make this line like this. And we put here a signal calculator. Signal calculator. And this signal calculator, we bring this signal to it, and output of this signal calculator we bring here as a set point. This is F1. This is now the set point here. This is one solution. So what we did, we removed the control valve here, we removed the I2B converter, we removed the controller, and we made this line wild. Now this line is wild. What is the meaning of wild, Shabab? What is the meaning of wild? Brother Ali is writing open. It is not open. It is, you can say it is uncontrolled. 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 Like a lot of brothers, they have seen the Geographic Channel. So there is wild animals. So they are not controlled. They are open in the jungle. So this is open. There is no control. This is, on the other hand, this is still controlled. This stream is still controlled. It has controller, it has sensor, everything it has. Right, Shabab? So this is one of the solution. And what is the name of the solution, Shabab? What is the name of the solution? What is the name of the scheme?
Cascade.
No, it is not cascade, it is ratio control. But this is special. In ratio control, it is special. Ratio relay, very good. Brother Hassan is answering very good. Its name is ratio relay control, like this. Right, Shabab? So its name is ratio relay control. It has several advantages, it has several disadvantages, and those are mentioned in our book. So they are mentioned here. If you see, they are mentioned there, advantages and disadvantages. Nowadays, we already know that controller is not just controller. Controller is a complete computer. Right, Shabab? Controller is a small mini computer. So why we are putting the signal calculator separate? Why don't we just add one instruction? Because what the signal calculator will do? This signal calculator say if 1 liter is here, signal is coming, double it, make it 2 liter, multiply by 2. It is just a multiply, right? So why don't we put one instruction in the controller? Okay, take this signal directly. This signal take directly, right? And inside multiply with 2. Right, Shabab? Inside multiply with 2 and use it. So PV is coming from this side. This is PV is coming. This set point is coming. Multiply it with 2 and use it. This output, Shabab. This is not PV. Sorry, this is not PV. This output. This is PV. So this is PV is coming from the transmitter. Output is going to the wall. This is set point. So whatever this value is coming, multiply it with 2 and use it. You want to change the name of the controller, you want to change, you want to keep the same name, no problem. So what is the name of this scheme, Shabab? What is the name of this scheme? Yeah, Shabab.
Ratio.
What is the name of this scheme? Ratio. What? Relay is before the last scheme with the signal calculator. Now we remove the signal calculator. Now what is the name?
Ratio control. Same. Without.
Flow fraction control now. Flow fraction. Flow fraction control. Shabab with me? Now what is the name of the scheme? Flow fraction control. Yeah, Shabab. Any question up to here? Again, this scheme has its own advantages, own disadvantages. Those are mentioned in the book. I already wrote in the book, Alhamdulillah. Another scheme is there. Actually, we have 4 schemes. So the third scheme is there. Okay, what the scheme is saying, you bring the signal calculator back. Signal calculator is there. Take this signal into signal calculator. Take this signal also to the signal calculator. Both, this is also PV from this transmitter, this is PV from this transmitter, and output of the signal calculator give it as a set point. Right, Shabab? So now what will happen? Now this signal calculator is, this signal is also coming to this signal calculator. This signal is also going to this signal calculator, and this one now output of the signal calculator is coming as PV, and the set point we are giving the controller. So now, for example, if this is this signal calculator is work as what now, Shabab? It will multiply, divide, compare what?
Divide, I guess.
How?
Because one is 2 and the other will be 1, something like that.
See here, this is coming from here 1 liter, right? Here some amount is coming. Imagine some amount is coming, X liter. So how it will decide? We need to open it more or close it more. How? How it will divide and get this thing? So it will add, subtract, compare. What it will do? Or divide, as you are saying. Compare. Brother Ali is writing compare. Very good. It will compare, right? And compare is what? Compare. Logically, we compare. If this one is bigger, so it will open the valve more. If this one is smaller, it will close the valve more. Right, Shabab? So here 1 liter, it should be 2 liter. So this signal will be compared with the double of this signal, right? So whichever signal it for example, here instead of 1 liter, it is flowing, imagine 1.5 liter. 1.5 liter. So it should be now how much? 3 liter. Then it will open the valve more, like this. So this is another solution. So in this solution, what we are doing? We are bringing both the PVs, this PV, flow indicator transmitter 2 to the signal calculator, this PV flow indicator transmitter 1 to the signal calculator. Output of the signal calculator we are taking as PV, because now this controller does not have any other PV. Set point we are giving it, and it is opening and closing this valve depending upon this. So this is third scheme. Any question for here, Shabab? Any question for this scheme? Yeah, brother Ali is asking what is the name. It is like what is its name? The first scheme we discussed, ratio relay controller, like ratio relay controller, but again, it is also mixing two other inputs in it. So it has like both the advantages. It is also taking this value, also this value. So it is at the end, its name is same, ratio relay control. But again, in this ratio relay control, the second type one, we are bringing both the signals to the signal calculator. Yes, any other question, please?
Hope now.
Sorry?
I hope there is no.
No question, that's good, mashallah. So everybody is mashallah understanding everything. Right? Now, one thing it is comparing. The other possibility, now I'm thinking, as the brother Zahri told, it can divide. It could be divided. Brother Zahri is also, up to some extent, is correct. It could divide also. It could also subtract. Whichever, for example, we can say it is this value minus this value. If it is greater, right, open this one. If it is lesser, close the valve. So depending upon our design, instructional design in this controller, it can do a lot of things, right, Shabab? So mainly it can compare, but I thought the brother Zahri is also saying correct. It can also divide, and if we think more, little more, it also can subtract. Shabab with me?
Yes, teacher.
That's good. That's good. Lot of brothers, they are writing yes. Now the fourth scheme is little, you can say, different. So for this scheme, we need to pay a little more attention. So everybody try to pay more attention, Shabab. This scheme also analyze and also do the ratio. It is doing both. So this is our tank as usual. The agitator is there. This is 1 liter. This is 2 liter. We are saying, and here these both streams, feed 1 and feed 2, they are being mixed, and this is the output of the tank. Another feed, right, Shabab? From this feed, we take analyzer, indicator, transmitter. That is analysis. Is really 1 liter? Is it really 2 liter? It will analyze. It will send signal to the analyzer indicator controller. This analyzer indicator controller, Shabab, we have given a set point, right? Output of this controller will go. Output of this controller will go the signal calculator, right, Shabab? And this signal calculator also getting signal from here. And output of this signal calculator will go to the set point for this controller. Now this set point is no more there. So now what is going on? Imagine this is 1 liter of water is there. This 2 liter milk is there. Very simple things we can imagine. It is being mixed here in this tank. Here, one guy is standing. One man is standing. Who's testing it? Who's testing it? Okay. If milk is more, then open the water more. If water is more, then open the milk more. So whichever thing is less, it will analyze. Whichever thing is less or more, then it will open send the signal to the controller as a PV. So this will be PV for this controller. This is the output of the controller. Output of this controller will come to this signal calculator. This signal calculator is there. And this signal is also coming to this signal calculator. This is signal of this transmitter from this line. So this signal calculator will calculate according to the settings and give the output as a set point to this one. This is PV from here. Yes, Shabab. Some brother was asking a question. Yes, please.
The signal coming from flow indicator transmitter to the calculator, is it PV
Yes.
or what? The name of signal?
Sorry, it is what?
PV? Is it named PV or what?
See, this signal, no, we cannot say it is PV. It is just the signal of this transmitter. It is process variable for this line. You can say this is the process variable for this line. But PV in the sense, because it is not going to any controller, it is going to the signal calculator. This is not controller, this signal calculator. So you can say it is just a signal. From this right now, what is the process variable here? Because normally when we say PV, we say in sense it is the coming to the controller. You get my point? So because it is not controller, you can say it is PV, you can say it is just a signal coming from this transmitter. That is the current value, the present value of the fluid in this line.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Now, for example, this thing you cannot say it is set point for the signal calculator. You cannot say that. It is again, it is not controller, it is just a calculator. And Brother Zahri, you already have seen the calculator. So it is just a calculator. So you cannot say it is set point to the calculator. No, calculator we already adjusted. Take this signal, two signals are coming to the signal calculator and one is out. So for example, we have asked it, as you said, divide, or we ask him compare these two signals, or we ask the signal calculator, we put the settings, subtract of these. So it is like this. So any other brother has any question, Shabab? Name. Brother Ali is asking, mashallah, name again. Brother Ali is behind the names, right? Ratio, relay with remote input. Which one is the remote input here? The remote input is coming from where?
Analysis.
Very good. Okay, now Shabab, I have one question. This cascade?
Again?
Is it cascade, Shabab?
No.
Output of this analyzer indicator controller is going to the signal calculator. Is it cascade? That's good. Lot of brother they're writing. Brother Ali wrote the first. It is not cascade. It is just a calculator. It is not controller. To be cascade, the output of one controller should go as a set point to other controller. Then it is cascade. So with me, if you want cascade, mean what? Output of one controller is going as a set point to another controller. Again, it is not a controller, it is signal calculator, just taking two signals. That's what I'm saying. You wanna say this is PV, you can say, but again, for the signal calculator, it is just a signal. You want to say this is output of the controller, you can say, but for the signal calculator, it is just a signal. So it is taking two signals according to your instructions. As an engineer, according to your instructions, it is telling, okay, calculate this, and it is giving the output signal. That's it. It does not know it is PV, it does not know it is output, does not know anything. It is just a calculator. As you use the calculator, calculate the values, give them. That's it. Shabab with me? So there is no cascade here, nothing. Allah brother with me, Shabab?
Yes, teacher.
Any question up to here, Shabab? Please ask. That's good. Lot of brother they are writing. Yes, that's good. Okay, now we're gonna improve it a little bit. We're gonna change it a little bit. and we're gonna make a little more complex according to field application, because before now we are discussing very small applications, just one by one. Now we'll make a little field application. Normally it is implemented like this. So what we do, we bring these two lines here and we mix them here. Right, Shabab? This is still 1 liter, this is 2 liter, and we take it into the same silo. It has a motor there that is agitating, mixing it. Okay, Shabab? This has also level indicator transmitter that is sending signal to the level indicator controller. Right, Shabab? This controller is this one. We make flow indicator controller here. One. No, it is no more wide. There is a valve here. I2P is there. Output of this controller we are bringing here as a set point, and this is M. And what we are doing here, we are putting a signal calculator here again. This thing also we are bringing here, this signal from this transmitter we are bringing here. Right, Shabab? And one we are putting here analyzer. Analyzer indicator transmitter, that is sending signal to the analyzer indicator controller. Right, Shabab? And it has a set point here. This one also have a set point here. Output of this controller we are taking to this signal calculator, and output of this signal calculator we are bringing here. Yes, Shabab. All the brother with me? Shabab with me?
Yes,
Yes.
with you,
That's
teacher.
good.
Yeah.
They are writing yes. Now what this system is doing? If you see, this is looking very complex, but when we analyze it, inshallah it will be very simple. You forget everything else. Start from here. Feed 1 is there, its transmitter is there, controller is there, I2P converter valve is there. This feed 1. Then feed 2 is there, transmitter is there, controller is there, I2P converter is there, valve is there. Right, Shabab? Okay. Then there is these both the feeds we are analyzing. We put a analyzer transmitter here, analyzer controller, set point is there, output of this controller we are bringing to the signal calculator. And this transmitter signal we are also bringing to the signal calculator. This is second thing. Third thing, this tank has a level indicator transmitter, level indicator controller, and output of this we are bringing here. So first of all, put M, PV, SP and get the first with signal flow. Whoever put it first, he will get the first, Shabab. Yes, Shabab. Put PV, SP, M, signal flow on the diagram, get the first. Somebody is trying, Shabab? Yes, somebody is trying.
Yes, I am trying now, teacher. Yes.
That's good. That's good. Now a lot of brothers they are writing. Yes, we are trying. Okay, please try. Yes, Shabab. Yes, Shabab. Somebody is trying.
Yes, teacher, yes.
Okay, please do fast, Shabab. Do fast. Lot of brothers now writing. Yes, they are trying, but please do fast.
I finished, teacher.
Yes, please show me. Make it clear. Make it near the camera. Tell me your ID, brother Hadri. Tell me your ID. Minimum you try.
39
Please tell me your ID.
3919 19
19
0
Yes, brother. Please tell me. 3919
3919
01948. Okay. 1948. Okay, I got it. I got it, inshallah. Okay, Shabab, please see here. This signal is right or left?
Right, teacher.
Right, that's good. PV or
PV.
SP what?
PV.
PV. This is
Out.
M already there. This is SP already there. This up, down,
Up. PV.
up. PV. Very good.
And
Here,
left.
up or down?
For SC, I guess.
Up or down? This one.
Down. SP.
Down, already there. SP. This one, left or right?
Left.
Left. M. This is already P there, M is there. So this one, up or down?
Up with PV.
Up. PV. Very good. This is
Right. And
M. Okay. Now, what it is doing, Shabab? Who gonna tell us what it is doing? This system is doing what? Yes, Shabab.
feedback or what again?
Sorry?
Doing mix with feedback, I guess.
It is doing two things. It is doing two things. Number one, it is bringing here this stream, it is bringing here and controlling the level. It is mixing or not, we don't care. This is, I just put. We care about the control. What it is controlling. The mixing was not in the control. That was not in our control. That is separate control. So just remove it. It is controlling the level of this tank, this silo. It is controlling the level. If level is more than the set point, it will send signal to the controller. Controller will send a signal to this flow indicator controller. Right, Shabab? And it will close this valve. One control is up to here. Right, Shabab? Now, as soon as this valve will be closed, this signal will get reduced. This flow here will reduce. This signal is coming to the signal calculator. So according to the setting, this stream also will get reduced. Shabab with me?
Yes.
Brother with me? Okay, a lot of brothers they're saying yes, that's good. Second thing it is doing, it is analyzing. For example, this is salt, this is sugar. So we are mixing it. So it is analyzing. It is more salt or more sugar, right? So what it is doing, it is analyzing here, sending signal here. If imagine this is sugar is more, then it will ask open this one. So analyzer is coming here to the signal calculator. Now this signal calculator is also getting signal from here. This, how much flow is there? Depending upon this flow and this analysis, it is giving the output for this controller. Imagine this stream is more, so it will ask this controller open more this valve. If this stream is less, it will ask this controller to close this valve more. So it is doing two things. One is level control with respect to feed 1 and feed 2. And the second is analysis control with both the streams. Now, how many cascades are there and how many ratios are there, Shabab?
We have one cascade, and we have
One cascade, how many master and how many slave in one cascade?
one
We have
master.
two. We have one master,
One master and how
teacher.
many slave?
Two
Okay.
slaves.
One. Also.
And how many slave?
I think one.
One master, one slave. Which one is the master?
One.
Which one? Level.
Level.
Very good. Level indicator controller is the master controller. And which one is the slave controller?
Flow indicator controller.
Which one? 2 or 1 or 2?
One.
Two, teacher.
1. So flow indicator controller 1 is slave. Level indicator controller is master. The primary variable is level. Secondary variable is the flow. Right, Shabab? Any other system is there?
Yes, teacher.
Right.
Which one?
Ratio,
Which
teacher.
one the other? Ratio.
Uh,
Ratio. Which one? Brother Ali is also writing ratio. Which ratio? You were asking me the name. Now tell me the name. Which ratio is this?
Ratio relay, I guess.
No.
Ratio relay with what?
With analysis.
Ratio relay. Remote. You know remote control. Yeah, very good. No, he's input from a distance. Remote, TV remote, air conditioner remote. So remote mean give the input from a distance. So this input is coming from the distance. Right, Shabab?
Fine.
Shabab with me?
Yes.
Okay. With the ratio remote controller, which feed is wild and which feed is controlled?
The wide is the signal calculator.
Wild, F1 is wild or F2 is wild? F1 is controlled or F2 is controlled? With respect to ratio.
F2, I guess.
With respect to ratio control, which one is wild? Very good. Brother Ali saying F1. Very good. F1 is wild. With respect to ratio control, F1 is wild and F2 is controlled.
Teacher.
With respect to Shabab, something is going on with the internet. Somehow, if we disconnect, inshallah, we will connect again. So please, because the internet is not very stable here. So somehow, if we disconnect, inshallah, I will try my best to reconnect again, inshallah, because the internet is getting unstable again and again. Once again, Shabab,
Teacher.
with respect to, yes, please.
How can you determine, teacher, F1 or F2?
Sorry.
How can you determine? How can I determine, teacher, F1 or F2 or F2? Teacher, I forget this one.
No problem. You just read again and ask again. No problem. No problem. You read and ask again. No problem. Let me
Okay, I
just
read.
say again. With respect to
Why are
ratio
teacher?
control. Shabab. Sorry.
How I can determine if one is loyal?
See here. With respect to just the ratio control, I'm talking just ratio control. F1, we are just getting this signal. We cannot control it with respect to ratio. So that's why it is wild. Here, this output of this signal calculator is coming here. So we can control it. The valve is there, everything is there. So this is controlled. Again, with respect to ratio remote control, we are saying, if you say the level, then both are controlled. Shabab with me? So why we are saying just with the respect to ratio. With
Yes.
respect to ratio, this is wild, this is controlled. You get the answer?
Yes, I get the answer, teacher.
That's good. Any other question, please? Shabab. Again, Shabab, the advantages and the disadvantages of all the schemes are written in the book. So every scheme has its advantages and disadvantages. Please study them. You can see why we put the signal calculator, what is its advantage, what is its disadvantage, technically and also management wise. Now we have, Shabab, very famous to select elements, switches. You can say select element, in ratio control. What are those? One is low select. 7 milliampere signal is coming from this side. 8 milliampere is coming from this side. So output will be what? 7 milliampere. So it will select the low for the output. The other one is high select. 7 milliampere signal is there. 8 milliampere is here. So which one it will select? Bigger one, high select. So it will select 8. So these are the simple two, you can say selectors or switches, but their effect is very high. We use them a lot, and we make different kind of controls. Every brother has done the barbecue, Shabab? Barbecue.
Yes, teacher, yes.
So what we need in barbecue? What things we need?
We need to make a fire and meat. Like
What we need?
to
Fuel.
make fire.
We need fuel,
Oh,
right?
yes.
Fuel, then what else?
Oil.
Oil. To make the fuel, you mean? Fuel? Oil is fuel.
Yes, yes.
So normally what fuel we use? What fuel we use? Coal, right?
Negress.
What is else, Shabab? What else we need? Yeah, Shabab, what else
Coal,
we
teacher.
need? Coal, I already put. What else?
Jum'a said wood, teacher. Saint Jum'a said wood.
What?
Wood.
For the barbecue? So how we give the air to the barbecue? What is this? Do we need to give the air to the barbecue? Do we need to give the air? Shabab, do we need to give air to the barbecue?
Yes.
Yes.
16.
Okay. Now imagine the fuel is less, the coal is less, and you put a big fan there, big fan. It's gonna make the barbecue good?
No, it will be very over.
No. If you have a big coal, big faham, but the fan is very small, it's gonna make the barbecue good?
No. No.
No. So we need the fuel and the air in a special ratio. In a special ratio. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
Shabab with me?
Yes, with you.
That's good. A lot of brothers now writing yes. We need fuel and air in a special ratio. If the ratio is not there, the barbecue will not good. On top of that, the fuel everybody knows very expensive, right, Shabab? The benzene, coal, they are very expensive, right, Shabab? And air is also not free. You need to put a blower, you need to put a air pump to get the air, right, Shabab?
Yes.
Shabab with me? That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing yes. Okay, now same thing is happening in the car engine. In the car engine, what we mix, Shabab?
Water, oil.
What we mix?
I think, I guess.
What we mix in the car engine to run the car in the
Benzene.
engine? Benzene. Benzene is what? Fuel. Benzene and air. Benzene and air we mix. Right, Shabab? That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing yes. Okay, Shabab. Same we do in the boiler. In the industry, on the plant, we have boilers. Everybody knows that, right, Shabab? What we have? Boilers. Boiler. So in the boiler, what we do? Same we mix fuel and air. We mix them. Now again, if the ratio of the fuel and air is not good, the boiler will not give the good steam, and also it will be very expensive. So we need to make the fuel and air ratio very correct, very good, so that boiler is giving good steam and also it is not expensive. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me?
Yes, teacher, with you.
That's good. So Shabab, we have here two streams are coming. Before we go to the system, lot of cars, they are putting EFI on their behind. EFI, what is EFI, Shabab? EFI. Yeah, Shabab. What is EFI?
Is it electrical flow indicator? Something like that?
Efficient fuel injection. What is it? Efficient fuel injection. So how use the fuel efficiently. So minimum fuel, more, for example, if it is car, with minimum fuel, it run more. Shabab with me? If it is boiler, with minimum fuel, it give more steam. So EFI. So we are starting EFI, a small, very simple EFI we are starting. Okay, Shabab. So we have a flow indicator transmitter here. This side is fuel side. It is sending signal to the flow indicator controller. This controller, there is a I2P converter here. This is valve is here. Right, Shabab? This is air side, air. Here we have a flow sensor for the air, flow indicator transmitter. Then it is sending signal to the flow indicator controller. So here we have a pump, air pump. What we say air pump? Blower. This is blower. VFD is there. Variable frequency derived. And this is controlling the fuel line. This is controlling the air line. Right, Shabab? The fire demand is coming. This is signal for the fire demand. How much fire you need? Fire demand. How much fire you need? So here we are giving it directly this controller for the fuel as a set point. For the air, we are using a signal calculator. Here signal calculator we are using select small. So what was the symbol for the select small, Shabab?
Select low as before.
Select low or select small. Or let's start with simple signal calculator. We use a simple signal calculator and give this one. The ratio of the fuel and air should be different. If this is fuel is, for example, 1 liter, air should be different. Its unit is different. So that's why we use the signal calculator. Right, Shabab? Now what happens? How it will work? How it will work, Shabab? Imagine no fuel is there, no air is there. So we need first air or first we need the fuel? What we need first, Shabab?
Fuel, I guess.
We need air. Very good. A lot of brothers are writing. First we need air. Even in our car, when we put the key in our car, we want air first comes. Right? Okay, air comes. Then we want fuel come. Right, Shabab? And so on. Now, this is very simple. The fire demand is coming. For example, how much fire you want? You want 1 kg of the coal or whatever type of fire you want. This demand is coming. It is giving the set point here also. It is bringing the set point here also. Right, Shabab? This is PV for this one. This is output for this one. This is PV for this one, and this is output for this one. Okay, now the fire demand comes, and this fuel got on, and this got also the air got on. Somebody can tell air will get on first or the fuel will get on first. Which one will get the on first? Somebody can tell, Shabab? Who will get on first?
Air.
What teacher?
The fuel will get on first or air will get on first? The fuel will come first in the pipe or the air will come first in the pipe? Who will come first in the pipe?
Air, teacher.
How do you know? Lot of brothers are writing air, lot of brothers are writing fuel. How do you know that? Who will come first? Yes, Shabab. How do you know the
Signal.
fuel will come first or the air will come first? And what we want air first. When we start the system, air should come first and fuel should come later. And when we off the system, fuel should get off first and then air should get off. That's what we want. So now we are starting the system. System is off, 0 is here, no flow here, no flow here. It is showing 0, 0 signal this one, 0 signal this one. So fire demand came. How do we know the air will come? Fuel will.
The signal calculator, let's make that.
Signal calculator is just a calculator. It is not doing anything else. You know. This system right now, it can't tell anything. Both will come at the same time. We are not sure. We want air comes first and then fuel comes. This system cannot do that. So we need to modify this system. This is very simple, 20 years old, 30 years old fuel injection system. It was just injecting like this, you know. So we need to modernize it. We need to change it. So what we do? We do a little modification in it and see what happens. We bring this fire demand signal. We bring this signal and we put here low select. What we do, Shabab? Low select. And from this transmitter, this A transmitter, we take this signal from the fire demand, and output of this one, we are giving it. This one, the fuel one. Right, Shabab? And we take the signal from here, the fire demand from here, and we put the signal calculator here and we give this one like this. Now everybody pay attention, Shabab. Fire demand signal is coming to this low select. This transmitter, that is air transmitter, that is also sending signal to this low select. Right, Shabab? And fire demand signal directly through the signal calculator is coming to the air. Now tell me who will start first? Air will start first or the fuel will start first?
Air will start first.
Give me your logic. You are correct. Give me your logic. How?
We get the low current from air, so that will make it.
Very good. Very good, brother Zahri. Very good, mashallah. Very good. See here, Shabab. Everything is 0, right? Now the system is 0. This flow is 0. This signal is 0. This signal is also 0. Everything is 0. All of a sudden, fire demand came. Fire demand came 10%. Right, Shabab? So here, how much? 10. Here, how much? 0. So output will be what? 0. So fuel cannot start even the fire demand become 100%. Right, Shabab? Even the fire demand become 100%, fuel cannot start. Fuel will start if fire demand gives some number 1, 2, as long as it is 0, it will always 0. This is 0, this signal is 0, this 0 is coming here, it will select the low, it is always 0. So somehow manually you need to start the air. So you need to start the air. Imagine, no, this signal is 1%. So this will become here 1. And it will select the low, so it will become 1. So first somehow now you have to start the air, then the fuel will start. Shabab with me?
Yes.
That's good. And on the other hand, this fire demand is coming from here 10%. This is the signal calculator, so it will on the controller. So maybe it is automatically get on or we manually on it, but somehow first we need to open the air. If we open the air, then fuel will be getting open. Shabab with me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now, what we want in the starting, that is done. We want in the starting, as soon as we start the system, air should come and then fuel should come. And they will get mixed here. This is their mixing point. Now, when we off the system, or before we off the system, for example, imagine this line get cut. This line get cut. Is there any arrangement? Air should know that no more fuel is coming. Is there any arrangement, Shabab? For this
No.
thing? No arrangement. Right? Okay. So once we need make this arrangement. Second thing, if this will get cut, this arrangement is there. It will get select low. So this is fine. Right? So this line arrangement is not there. Second thing, when we want to off the system, when we off our car, what we want? We want first the air should get off or the fuel should get off?
Fuel first, then air.
Fuel. Very good. Because we want to clean our engine. We want to clean our boiler in the industry, on the plant. So first we want fuel should get cut off, then we air should stop. Right, Shabab? Is it doing like this? Is
I
it
guess-
doing like this? We don't know because there is no connection, there is no interlock between fuel and air. There is no interlock. So, with me, is there any interlock between fuel and air? No interlock, no relation. So somehow the fuel got cut off. This air controller does not know. So, are with me?
Yes.
So it is not fulfilling our complete requirement. It is just fulfilling half of the requirement. Now we will modernize it more. So first we start with a very simple one and we modernize the first step. Then the first step we bring our starting requirement. Now we need our running requirement also and also our getting it off, making it off, turn it off requirement. So all these requirements, inshallah, we will put here. So we are modernizing it a little more this session because we want to bring all our requirements in it. Okay, Shiva, fire demand is coming. This fire demand signal is coming. And we are putting the same switch here, low select, and going there. The other thing for the load select, it is coming from the blower from here, like the previous, like this. This is output. Then what we are doing, we are putting here a high select switch also. Which switch, Bob? Which switch is this?
I select.
High select, and we are bringing the one fire demand signal here and other signal to the high select we are bringing from the fuel transmitter from here, and output of this one we are giving this one. Yes, Shabab, now what happens? Now we need to test the system. According to our theory, theoretically, we find this system will follow all our requirements. Now let us test it. Let's see, is it really fulfilling all our requirements or it is just theoretically, we just assume like that. Okay, imagine in the starting, this signal is 0, this signal is 0. Right, Shabab? Nothing, system is off. Shabab with me?
Yes.
That's good. Fire demand came. Fire demand came, for example, 20%. 20% fire demand came, Shabab. We need the fire 20%. So this signal will be 20%. This signal is 0. This signal is 20%. And this signal is also 0. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
So which thing will get on first, air or fuel?
air.
Air, very good. This is 20, it is high select. So it will select the 20 and it will start the air. As soon as the air start, this 0, imagine it becomes 10. So this will go here, it will become 10. Again it will select low, 10, and it will start the fuel. Shubha with me?
Yes, teacher.
That's good. Okay, now our starting requirement fulfilled. This is our requirement for the starting. Now running requirement. Running requirement is what? If this line get cut, if this line get cut from here, this signal will be what? Zero. Right away it becomes 0. Still the fire demand is there to any. So the air is flowing. Right? So the air will get stop after some time. Right, Shabab? This is our running requirement. And somehow if the air get cut, imagine this line get cut, right away this will become 0. It will become 0. Right away it will off the fuel because this is low select. Shabab with me?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay. Now when we turn it off, imagine everything is fine. This there 10%, this signal is 10%, right? Everything is fine. System is running good, right, Shabab? So this 10%, this 10% means this is 10% here, this is 10% here. All of a sudden fire demands become 0. No fire need. We don't need any fire anymore, right, Shabab? So what will happen here? 0, here 0. It will select which one? LS, low select. It will select 0. It will off the fuel. High select will select which one? This is 0%, this 10%. It will select 10. Still air is there. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
So air will stop after the fuel gets stopped. So fuel will get stopped first, then air will get stopped. That is our requirement when we are closing the system, when we are making the system shut down. We want system get off. Any question up to here, Shabab? Please ask.
I guess there is some students say again, teacher.
Sorry?
There is students say again for the
No problem. You ask the question. Yes, please ask the question. See, we start the system. What is our requirement when we start the system, Shabab? The air should come first or the fuel should come first?
air come first. We turn it on.
Air should come first, right? So in the starting, this signal is what? 0%. This signal is what? 0%. Fire demand 0%. Right, Shabab? Okay, everything is 0%. All of a sudden, the fire demand came. We need 10% fire. 10% fire is needed. Right, Shabab? So this signal become 10%. If this signal become 10%, here how much? 10. Here how much? 10. This is what? 0. This is what? 0. It will take which signal? 0 or 10%?
0 signal.
0. So fuel is still not there. This high select, this is 0, this 10%. So here your output is what?
10%.
10%. What does it mean?
It will be on the air.
First. The set point for the air is 10%. So it will start the air, and imagine in the starting here it becomes, instead of 0%, it becomes 5%. This 5% signal will go here, and then it will select 5 here, and then fuel will start. Show with me.
Yes.
Okay, this is our starting requirement. Some brother has any question here? Please ask.
So teacher, this is for only just for starting, not for turn it off. Yeah.
Let's turn off. We're gonna discuss. Yes, some brother has starting question. Please ask
Okay.
for the starting. Okay. Now the system is started and it is running. It is working. Right, Shabab? Somehow this line get broken. This line get broken mean what? This signal will be what?
Going to zero.
This zero will come here. It will low select. It will set the zero. Right away it will close the fuel. Shabab with me?
Yeah.
Okay. So running requirement is done. Imagine this line get broken. This line get broken. Fuel line get broken. What is signal here?
Zero.
Still.
Zero. This signal will come here. Zero. Air this fire demand is still 10. So after even the fuel get cut off, sometime air will be there. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
Okay. Now when we're gonna shut down it. Now imagine everything is working good. This is running 15%. This is also 15%. Fire demand is coming 50%. Everything is working good. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me?
Yes, with it.
All of a sudden, fire demand becomes zero. No more fire needed. We're going to shut down this system. Right? What is the signal?
15.
15. What is fire demand? 0%. Output
Zero.
will be what?
Zero.
What is this signal? 0. This signal is what? 15.
15.
Right, Sabah? Output would be what? I
15.
select 15. So here it is that this signal 0 will go to this controller. This controller will get 15%. So which will shut down, air or fuel?
Fuel.
Fuel. So first fuel will get shut down. As soon as it becomes 0 here, every completely shut down, this 0 will come here. No, both are 0, right? This is also 0, this is also 0. So what would be the output here? 0. So then the air will also get shut down. Shubha with me?
Yes.
That's what we want. So first fuel gets shut down, then air gets shut down. Any question up to here, Shiva? Please ask.
So teacher,
Yes.
you mean that the fire
Fire demand, yes.
was going to 0% while the air has bigger than that. Okay.
See, that's what is our requirement. We want as soon as the no fire is needed or we want to shut down the system, first fuel should stop, then air should stop. That's what we want.
Yes.
So that's what our system is bringing. So as soon as the fire demand will become 0, first the fuel will shut down, and after some time, after the fuel shut down, the air will also get shut down. After the fuel. That's what is the requirement.
Teacher.
Yeah, I got
What
that.
is it?
I mean of that,
What?
if we have a demand bigger than the air, so that means it's starting. But the opposite of that.
No, the demand becomes 0%. See here.
Only
All
one.
of a sudden, demand becomes 0%.
Okay, fine.
You guys want, we can take another example, no problem. Imagine everything is working good. System was running very good. This is 50% here, 50%. This is also 50% here. So this signal is 50% here. The fire demand is like 60%. This signal is also 50% here. So here it is 60%. Here it is 60%. So what would be the output here? Low select 50. Right, Shabab? For this 50. What is the output here? This is 60% signal, this is 50%, high slack. What is output? 60, that's good. A lot of brothers, they are writing 60. Okay, now, all of a sudden, Shiva, please pay attention now. All of a sudden, the fire demand becomes 0. Fire demand become 0. Or we want to shut down the system. We want to shut down this system, maybe for cleaning, maybe some reason. So this signal become now what? 0. Right? This signal becomes 0. Same signal going here becomes 0. Here it is what, Shabab? What is this switch?
We select the lowest.
No select. So 0 here would output would be what? 0 or 50?
0, 0.
0. 0 mean what? Right away, this controller set point is 0 mean it will shut down the valve. Right?
Right.
So fuel is stopped. Okay. Same 0 is coming here. But this signal is still 50%. So high select, what would be the output here?
0.
50?
50, not 0. It is high slack. So out of 0 and 50, it will take 50. So air will close, still air is working. Now, in the next cycle, obviously this valve is now closed, it will become 0, right? This 0 will come here and make it 0. Now both are 0, then it will become 0. So air will be there in the system after the fuel is shutting down. So first the fuel will shut down, then after some time air will get shut down. Shiva with me?
Yes.
Yes, brother. Any question, brother? Please ask.
Yes, teacher. What is
Yes, please.
fire demand?
Sorry?
Fire demand. What is fire demand?
Fire demand is coming from the field. How much fire you need? For example, if you take the example of the barbecue, you have 1 kg of chicken. How much coal you need?
1 kilo maybe.
How much coal you need for 1 kg of chicken? Maybe 1 kilo, right?
Yes.
If you have 10 kg of the chicken, how much farm you need now?
Oh, maybe more than 10 kilo.
May say 5 kg. So fire demand depends upon how much fire you need, right?
Okay.
So if you are running your car, this fire demand, if you run at 40 km per hour, the fire demand will be more, or you run 60 km per hour, when it will be more.
When you run 60 kilo.
That's it. So if you go to the industry, in the industry you have a boiler. So you need, for example, lot of steam. You want to run lot of turbines with the steam. One turbine you need, for example, some steam. If you want to run the 2 turbines, you need the double of the steam, right?
Right.
So that demand, fire demand will be double. So if you have 3 turbines, you want to run 3 turbines, the fire demand will be 3 times, right?
Right. Right.
So as your working, your function, your speed, or your area, or your equipment is increasing, fire demand is increasing. So we are taking it as a signal, how much fire demand is coming.
Is it adjustment?
It is like signal, feedback signal coming from the field. How much fire demand is needed, how much fire is needed, how much steam is needed, how much heat is needed. Like if you take the example of the barbecue, how much heat is you need? That is the fire demand.
Okay, okay. It's clear now.
Yes, brother. Any other brother has any question? Please ask.
I'm
Yes,
just
Shabab.
trying to include this drawing, teacher, about the relation between
This
fire.
drawing is already in your book, but you want to draw, that's good. You draw it. No
Yeah,
problem.
I mean that the fire demand just have a number bigger than air to starting this operation, or this, what is it? And if it's coming
See,
to
the
zero,
fire demand it is coming from here, the signal. If you are talking about this controller, this is high select. So first, this has to be 0, then it will get 0. Other, even it is 1 here. Imagine, even this signal is 1 here. Even it is 1 here. Can you stop the air? Because here it will be 1. Because the high select. One signal is 0, one signal is 1. So output will be 1. You get my point?
Yes, I know that point. That's meaning what we are dealing with, you know.
We want first the fuel should get off, first the fuel should stop, then the air should stop. You are
Yeah.
with me?
Yes.
So we want a system, we want to make a system. When we start it, first air should start, then fuel should start. And when we stop it, first fuel should stop and then air should stop. You get my point?
Yes.
Now you do one thing. For example, if you still have confusion, you draw this system, you try it for different assumptions. 10% signal is coming, 1%, 3%. Even then, if you have confusion, you discuss with me. No problem, inshallah. You got my point?
Okay, fine. All right.
Yeah. So we will, when you are coming for the lab or whenever you see me sitting in the office, we can discuss it again. Whichever you confusion, inshallah, we will try our best to remove it. Any question up to here, Shabab? Please ask.
Thank you.
This is our example, Shabab. This is our system. This is our container silo. A stream A is coming in it, A, and stream B is coming in it. It is mixed here. A mixer is there. The output is going to mix again with the stream C. They get mixed here and we get the stream E. So here it is saying the reaction here is 2A plus B, that becomes D here, and then C plus 3D becomes E here. This is here, this is here. Design a circuit. That's what it wants. And just don't design a circuit, also make sure this circuit is really giving these ratios. Sure with me?
Yes.
That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing, but just one brother today is talking. I don't know other brother what they are doing. So this is A, this is B, and the reaction is 2A plus B. So what type of control should be here? Yes, Shabab. What type of the
Flow.
control should be here? Which one?
Level.
Yes, Shabab. Which type of control? Ratio, cascade, feedback. Which type of control should be here?
Ratio, teacher, ratio.
Ratio. That's good.
Yeah.
And this one C plus 3D becomes E. What type of control is there again?
I think cascade, teacher.
How? How you think that? Brother Ali is typing again ratio.
No, I think
If
cascade.
you are saying this one is ratio, it is the same. This is always 2 liter, this is always 1 liter. So if you are saying this is ratio, here also same ratio. This is always 3 liter, this is always 1 liter. It is also ratio.
Yes,
Right,
yes,
Shabab?
yes. I'm sorry, teacher.
And how we will make sure that E is really correct? This ratio is correct in E. How we will make sure that?
Again, question.
Yes, Shabab? Yes?
By analyzing.
By analyzing. Very good. Very good. So let us start. Somebody wanna try it, Shabab? Somebody wanna try it to get the first? Okay, let's start one by one. Let's start. So again, this is our choice. We assume this is the ratio controller here. So we wanna put the ratio controller here. So what we do? First of all, obviously we need the transmitter. Flow indicator transmitter is here. That is sending signal to the flow indicator controller, I2P converter, and here we put the valve. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me?
Yes, teacher, with you.
Yes, yes, with you. Yes.
Okay, here again we put the flow indicator transmitter. They say this is 1 or A, it is on line A. This is on line B. And signal of this one we take to the signal calculator, and this one we take there. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
Shabab with me? That's good. Lot of brothers they're saying yes. Okay. Now this one become D, and C and D has this relation. Again, it means ratio control. So what we do? We put here again flow transmitter, flow indicator transmitter C. That is sending signal to the flow indicator controller C. This is flow indicator controller A. I2P converter is there. We put the valve here. For the D line, we put here flow indicator transmitter D. We bring the signal here. We put a signal calculator here. Output of this signal calculator we take to this controller. Right, Shabab? Everybody with me, Shabab?
Yes, yes, with you, teacher.
Yeah. That's what you.
That's good. So to analyze, we put here analyzer indicator transmitter, send the signal to the analyzer indicator controller. It has a set point. Output of this controller we should send where, Shabab? Tell me. Where it should go? This signal calculator 2 or signal calculator 1? Where it should go?
One,
Two,
teacher.
I guess.
One, a lot of brothers they are saying 2. Why 1? Why 2? Why it should go 1? Why it should go 2? Give your logic. One brother Ali is giving logic. We need C plus 3D. Okay, that's why you are saying it should go to 2. But we also need 2A plus B before that. If somehow 2A plus B is not correct, C plus 3D can be correct.
I guess it will go to both of them, teacher.
Both we cannot put.
No, because teacher, A and B
For example,
it goes to the mixer.
see here. Imagine the ratio A 2A plus B is not correct. This ratio can be correct. C plus 3D can be correct.
No.
No. So which one is the primary importance? This one or this one? Signal calculator 1 or signal calculator 2?
1.
Brother Hussain is writing 1. Yashiba, which one is the primary important?
1. 2A plus B.
1. 1 is the primary important. So we will send it to 1. Now somehow, if this ratio is correct, this ratio is correct, 2A plus B, there are chances this will be correct. C plus 3D. If this ratio is not correct, it is not possible C plus 3D get correct. So are with me? That's what I'm writing here. So the very simple solution is there. The problem is very complex. Problem is very complex. What is problem? We add two materials A and B like this. A is always 2 times B. So A is, for example, B is 1 liter. A will be 2 liter like this. Okay. Then add this to output of this one. Add another material C. This should be 3 times the C. It seems very complex problem. But when we give the solution, it is very simple solution. See, here, what type of control is there, Shabab? What is this control? Yes, brother, what type of this control? Ratio relay with remote control, with remote signal. What is this? What is this? What is this, Shabab? What is this control?
Also ratio.
That's
Ratio
good.
control.
Also ratio relay. Right, Shabab? No, imagine in the question it is told this ratio is more important. This ratio is more important. C plus 3D is more important as compared to 2A plus B. Then where we should put this signal? With 2. That's good. Very good. Then we will put with 2. If it is told this ratio is nothing is told, right? No, nothing is told in the question. So we select. We select by ourselves. We thought this ratio is more primary importance, more important. So we take this signal here. Imagine in the question, in the problem, at the plant, you are working on the plant, and the process people told you this ratio, this is more important because we have some arrangement. This mixer always give us D. We know that. It always give us D. So we are more care about this one. Okay, no problem. We will put this signal here. Shubha with me? Shubha with me? That's good. Yes, Shubha, any question
Yes,
you have,
yes.
brother? Please ask. Please ask Shubha.
Teacher,
Yes.
why you write 2A plus B equal D, C plus 3D equal A? Is it true? Why teacher but 3D? I think
This is given.
2D is.
This I'm not writing. This is given in the question. This is given in the question. See page 40. Page 40, see in your book, page 40. This question is there. This is given. I am not writing it. This is given in the problem. You get it?
Yes, teacher.
That's good. Yes, brother. Any other brother has any question? Please ask. Yes, Shabab. Any other brother has any question? Please ask.
Is it important to show that PV and SP on this diagram.
Sorry?
Show the PV and ST of this diagram also.
Sorry, brother Zahri, please say it again, please.
I mean, showing the direction of PV and SP output like that.
Yes. We need that. So okay, if you want, we can do right now. I thought maybe you guys can do it by yourself. Yes, Shaba, what is this?
PV.
PV. Direction, which direction? Left, right?
Right.
Right. What is this?
Output.
Output M.
M.
Direction, right, left?
Right.
Right. This signal is coming out of the signal calculator. It is what?
Set point.
SP.
SP.
Lot of people are writing SP. That's good. For the controller, it is SP. For the signal calculator, it's just output. Again, this signal is input to the signal calculator. What is this signal, Shabab?
PV. PV.
PV. Very good. Upward. What is this signal?
Output.
M. Small m. Brother Hussain is writing capital M. Brother, here it is small m. This is going here. Okay. What is this?
Set point.
Set for the controller. For signal calculator, just output. What is this?
M. Output.
M. That's good. What is this, Shabab? What is this? Up or down?
Down.
PV. Very good. Up or down?
Yes.
Down. Like this. Yes, brother. Any question up to here? Please ask.
What about teacher flow indicator transmitter B?
Flow indicator transmitter?
B.
B. This one.
Yes.
Yeah,
Is it
this signal is going
BB
this way.
for? Will be right.
It is PV for this line. It is PV for this line. But for the signal calculator, it is just input. You got my point?
Yes.
For B, it is PV. But for signal calculator, it is just input.
Okay.
Yes, Shabab, any other brother, please ask the question. Yes, brother, please. Any question, Shabab?
Teacher,
Yes, please.
can you? I don't know if you repeat that, if you say that or not, because I lost connection in maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes. I don't know. You say that if we want to make
Okay.
sure the primary mix is correct, how do we make the second one is exactly or correct, something like that?
See, right now in the question, it is not given which ratio is more important, right?
Yes.
No, we are thinking like this because this is if 2A and plus B is not good, is it possible C plus 3D can be good?
No.
So according to our thought, our understanding, this one is more important. That's why we are bringing the analyzer control signal with signal calculator 1, right?
Yes.
Now imagine there is a scenario, there is a case. The people, the owner of this plant told you, brother, you don't worry about the D. We have special arrangement. D is always perfect, right? You make sure D, C plus 3D is correct, right?
Okay.
Then we don't care about this one then. This is the process people, the owner of the plant, they told us it is perfect. So then we will bring this analyzer signal to this signal calculator because they ask us to worry about this one. You got my point?
Fine. Yeah. Depends of what information are there or what information that say
Application.
application.
Difference of application.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
If nothing is given, we will. Okay, that's good. Any other brother Shabab? Okay, Shabab, you guys already know we have inshallah like our final exam is very near. So please revise today's lesson.